Welcome to Dr. Jalil Photography. Today I'll be demonstrating the performance of my DIY radiant diffuser on Tabletop Studio. You can see this is the radiant diffuser I have made. I'll be talking something about this in few minutes. Let me explain the purpose of today's video. Today I'll be demonstrating the performance of this radiant diffuser on a jumping spider. You can see this one is a Camaricus spider, live Camaricus spider walking in this plastic box. This spider has got a very shiny red color head. If I don't use a radiant diffuser, the shiny surface of the jumping spider will cause lot of hot spot on its head and around its eyes. I have taken plenty of photographs of this spider. When I started 2 or 3 years back, I had to delete all my pictures at that time because the picture quality was very bad with lot of hot spot and burned out surface. Later on, when I started using this radiant diffuser, the picture became very nice, clear and sharp with a diffuse light on top of it. Today I'll be doing a practical demonstration on the performance of this radiant diffuser with and without. You can see there is a white color diffuser inside this radiant diffuser. This one is the diffuser material and this one is the reflector. I'll give the link of the making process of this radiant diffuser down in the description. If you want to make it yourself, please watch my earlier videos. I've got several models of this radiant diffuser for different lenses and different types. All the dimensions of this radiant diffusers. If you want the dimensions of this radiant diffusers, please ask me in the comment box. I will send you the link of my Google Drive for this radiant diffuser dimension. I'll be taking pictures with and without this white color diffuser on this jumping spider. I'll be using several twigs. This one. So I'll try all these different twigs. When this jumping spider walk around these twigs, I'll take pictures. Let me explain the radiant diffuser I have made. You can see this is the reflector part of the radiant diffuser, and in the front this white color material is the diffusion material, and in the bottom there you can see another reflector. Whenever I put the spider or the subject inside it very close to lens, this will give some reflection from the bottom. So this is the radiant diffuser, and this one fixed with my Laowa 90mm macro lens, and you can see there is a light, LED light hanging. Let me switch it on behind this radiant diffuser to illuminate the front side. So this light is also very important for precise focusing. Let me switch it off first. Now it is about the other gears of my today's photo shoot. This is the Sony A7Riii camera and Laowa 90mm macro lens, and this is the Godox Godox V350s flash. There is one more spotlight over here to illuminate from the top. I will show you the setup on my camera and the lens and the flash when I start shooting the spider for this photo shoot. I have placed that Camaricus spider on this green twig. You can see it is walking. Can I turn this wheel to set the angle while it is walking on the twig? So now I'll start shooting of this Camaricus spider with a radiant diffuser. Later on I'll show you the pictures without radiant diffuser. I've been taking pictures of this jumping spider with my radiant diffuser, but let me tell you the setting. I'm using shutter speed of 1/100 and ISO 200, and the flash strength is 1/2 because this diffuser material is very thick and restrict a lot of lights. So whenever you want to use a radiant diffuser, you will have to use a very high flash strength for taking pictures. I'll show you very soon. Whenever I remove this radiant diffuser, I'll have to decrease the flash strength significantly. Let me take few more pictures. Now I am going to remove this diffuser part from this radiant diffuser and take few more pictures without any radiant diffuser, so that I can compare the performance of this radiant diffuser without radiant diffuser. Let me take it off. It's very simple. Just this is the diffuser part I have taken off from the lens, and I'll keep it aside. Now you can see my radiant diffuser don't have any diffuser part, only the reflector is over here, and I'll take some pictures without diffuser. In that case, I'll have to reduce the flash strength significantly, because otherwise the picture will be overexposed. I'm starting with 1/16. Now let me take some pictures. Very bad quality pictures without diffuser. I'm changing the direction. The bottom side of the spider looking dark because there is no bottom reflector here, so it's only the top reflector is working at this moment. I'm using focus picking for focusing. I've taken several shots. I'll put the spider in this twig and take few more. It's working on this twig, and put it over here. Small, I'll have to put this jack. I'll take several shots without diffuser. I've taken plenty of pictures of this Camaricus spider without this diffuser and with this diffuser on fixing on my lens. You'll see a very clear difference in the pictures with radiant diffuser on are very smooth, very beautiful, and also there were some light from the bottom because of this reflector in the bottom of this diffuser. But when I have removed this one and I kept only the reflector on top, the some part of the spider became very shiny, and there were lots of hot spot on the reflective surface of the spider. I will show you in a moment of this picture. Now I'll show you the pictures with and without radiant diffuser of this Camaricus spider. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon for my upcoming projects. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. You are invited to see my upcoming videos in this channel. on macro photography techniques. On top of this, if you have any question about this radiant diffuser and the performance or anything about macro photography, please do not hesitate to comment below so that I can answer your all questions regarding macro photography either on tabletop or on outside. Thank you for watching until then. Bye bye.